So guys, in this video you're going to learn how to set up contact form 7 WordPress tutorial beginner's guide. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online brand, so please consider subscribing. So guys, let's begin. So contact form 7 is one of the best forms for WordPress. It has more than 5 million downloads. So guys, let's begin. And if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So currently right now I'm in my WordPress dashboard. All I have to do is install contact form 7. So I'll go in plugins, add new, just type contact form and then enter. Once I do that, as you could see, 5+ million downloads. Install now. And once it's installed, all you have to do is click on activate, and then on the left hand side you will see contact. Just click over here, and as you could see the contact form 7, just copy this thing, and there's a new page which I created and I'll just paste it over here. I'll update it and just preview it. So as you could see, my contact form 7 is on my page. It looks really good. Okay, so don't complicate it guys. And so once you're over here, I'm going to give you the settings. How do you make settings for it? So once you're in your contact form, just click on edit and then just click on mail. So this is my email ID, but I don't want my email, so I want to receive all the contacts on this email, and then I'm just gonna save. And then let's say for example I just write everything down. I just do something like this and just submit. Thank you, your message for your message, it has been sent. So if I look in my inbox, as you could see, everything's over here. So again, let's say you want to change some of these things. Again, go back to your contact form, click on mail. So you could say this one, from your name. So as you could see, from Yavar Khan, subject was this, message body was this. So you could start changing it if you want, but I would leave this as it is. Don't make it complicated. And let's say you want to make a new contact form. So first thing is just go over here. You can just duplicate this form. Much better. Don't try to make it new. And the reason for that I'm going to tell you. Just copy this thing, copy, paste the shortcode over here. Just cancel the whole thing. I'm just gonna copy, paste this, update. Okay, once I'm over here, I'm just gonna click on edit. You can change the form name if you want. So let's say if you want to enter your first name, just save. And once you go back to your website, if you go on preview, it's gonna say your first name. Let's say you want to add a number, just click enter. If you want to add a number, you can say use a number, insert the tag, copy this label, because you require, if I just update it like this right now, so this is how it's gonna show. It's gonna show this blank thing without the label. So to put the label, all you have to do is just copy this whole thing again, copy this thing, closing tag, your number. Okay, and just save. And then once you refresh it, so you see, you can see your number as well. And again, it's the same thing. If you want to receive this, your number, on your email ID, then all you have to do is, so you want to receive the number on your email ID, all you have to do is copy this thing, come back over here and just message body, and this is the phone number. So I can say phone number, just paste it over here, remove this thing. I feel, let's do it. Okay, again, testing is the best thing. Okay, I'm just going along with you and doing it. So I've saved my form. Again, I'm gonna fill it. I'm just gonna put some random number, just gonna put something random, and just gonna send. And it's sent. I'm gonna check my email again. So as you could see, my number is also here. So it's good, it's working, everything's working now. So that's it. So guys, don't make it more complicated. This is it. This is how you could create a contact form for free. Let's say you want to style your contact form, then with Elementor. So Elementor is a free drag and drop builder. So all you have to do is just click on plugins. I'm going to install Elementor for you right now. So So I'm gonna go back to plugins, add new. So let's say you want to style, so I'm gonna add new plugin, so it's over here. Click on Elementor, Elementor. It's a free drag and drop builder plus 3+ million active installation. I'm gonna do that, activate it, come back to my page, refresh it. Okay, so once Elementor is activated, I'm just gonna create your first page. Or what I'll do is just take this form. Okay, just copy this thing, then remove the block, update, and then edit with Elementor. I can just do edit with Elementor. So once I'm on my front page on my builder, so what I could do is just do this, and then you can search over your code. So there's a short code, you can just add the short code over here. I'm gonna enter the code and update. So this looks much better right now. So if you want to edit something, you can click the navigator, you can click on columns, you can change the style if you want. So let's say I wanted gradient, so I can just select something like this and update. So now this looks much more better. So you could style your form if you want. Just not gonna go much into it because this is a simple contact form 7 tutorial. I've created a lot of videos about how to style your contact form in my playlist. So just again, if you want to style something, you can just click here, advanced. You can do the margins, you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you can add some effects to it, you can do a lot of things. And that's it, guys. Don't make it complicated. Just if there's something wrong with it, please don't hesitate to message me. I'm always there to help. And just keep it simple, don't make it complicated, don't try to add your new stuff. Everything is done for you over here. It's very easy to set up. So let's say, for example, if I go back to my contact form, and if I want to, so let's say I want to add something over here, the gender. So I can just go over here, just edit, come over here and just add my check boxes. You can say male, you can say female, you can say in gender. Okay, so just type gender, insert tag, female, save. I'm just gonna refresh my form, I'm just gonna update it, I'm gonna refresh my form. So you could see male and female, and then I'm gonna put labels as well. So again, just copy this whole thing, copy, paste it over here, paste the label again, the closing tag, just give some space, your gender. Okay, and then just save. And then again, if I refresh, so the label would come again over here. So I'm just refreshing, so your gender. So that's it, guys. This is how you can edit your contact form 7. And in the beginning I told you I have a free bonus for you. So I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch, step-by-step instructions and how you could start making more money. The link is down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.